warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlilhu fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Amma ba'd. Okay, in this video this occasion I wanna share the story of J.K. Rowling, the writer of Harry Potter. Okay. Early life and dreams. J.K. Rowling was born in Yale, England on July. When she was a little girl, she really loved reading and writing stories. She enjoyed making stories about magic, animals, and brave heroes. Her biggest dream was to become a writer one day, but like many dreams, the road to success was not easy for her. Facing hardship. When she was still young, something very sad happened to her. Her mother died. It made her heart broke, but she still tried to be strong. Later, she got married, but she had a baby daughter. But after some time, her marriage did not go well. And she had to live alone with her baby. She had no job, no money, and sometimes she could not even buy good food. Her life was very hard. Finding hope in writing. There were days when she felt very sad, lonely, and tired. She didn't know how to continue her life. But there was one thing that always gave her hope: writing. Even when she was poor and tired, she never stopped writing. She always carried her notebook and pen everywhere she went. She went to a small coffee, ordered one copy of coffee, and wrote her story while her baby was sleeping beside her. The birth of Harry Potter. She started to write a story about a boy named Harry Potter. He was not an ordinary boy. Harry was a boy who could do magic and studied at a magic school called Hogwarts. And J.K. Rowling wrote this story from her heart. She used her imagination, her feelings, and even her sadness to make the story come alive. Rejection after rejection. When she finally finished her first book, she felt so happy and proud. She believed people would love it. So she sent her story to many publishers, but guess what happened? The first publisher said no. The second also said no. The third one said no again. She was rejected 12 times. But many people told her that her book was too long or too strange. Some people said children will not like this story. That must have made her very sad. But J.K. Rowling didn't stop. She believed in her story and she believed in herself. She said to herself, "I will try it one more time." A change taken, a world transformed. And then one small publisher finally said yes. They agreed to print her book, but only 500 copies. They thought the book would not sell much, but something amazing happened. Children loved the story. They want more and more of it. Harry Potter became famous everywhere. The story was translated to many languages and read by millions of people around the world. From struggle to success. Then the books were made into a movie, and J.K. Rowling became one of the most successful writers in the world. She became rich and famous, but she never forgot how hard her life used to be. She always said that failure and sadness taught her many lessons. She learned that life can be very hard, but we must never giving up. The most important thing about her story is not her money or her success. It is her spirit. She never stopped believing in her dream. She worked hard and stayed strong even when everyone told her she could not do it. Lesson from J.K. Rowling. So what can we learn from J.K. Rowling's story? We learn that life will not always be easy. Sometimes people will say no or rather to something, we will fail again and again. But if we keep trying, if we keep believing, one day we will succeed. J.K. Rowling once said, "Rock bottom become the solid foundation on which I rebuild my life." It means that even when we fall, we can still stand up and again and build something better. So let us all remember, never giving up, believe in yourself, keep trying even when it's hard, because just like J.K. Rowling, maybe your story will also change the world someday. And key takeaway. J.K. Rowling's story teaches us a few important lessons. First, she teaches us to believe in yourself, even when other people say no. We must keep believing in our dream. Second, she teaches us that failure is not the end. She failed many times, but every failure made her strong. And third, she reminds us to keep trying. Success does not come quickly; it comes step by step. If we don't give up. Her story shows that anyone can reach their dream with hard work and hope. J.K. Rowling could do it. We can too. So remember, J.K. Rowling. She was poor before, but because she didn't give up, she became a great writer. Her life showed that we can all be successful if we work hard and believe in yourself. Maybe that's all for me about the J.K. Rowling story. Sorry if I have any mistake or other. Maybe I will close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.